only be successful when there is a partnership between government and the civil society. As civil society, we cannot push it alone and succeed. Like he explained, it even has a link to the achievement of the Millennium Development Goals. So the UN has a hand. One of the immediate actions we are planning is to have a formal launch of this Huduma platform in Uganda, and we are planning a stakeholders meeting very soon. Two, I would call upon the ministries to look at these alternative policy proposals and mainstream them in the ministerial policy statements, so that they might find their way into the budget of 2014-15 and subsequent interventions. For members of parliament, we are asking for a close linkage between the national parliament and these community parliaments, because we think this is one way of taking the parliament down to the communities.